In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer in the Squarespace app. Editing the footer of your website is an essential step in customizing your site's appearance and making sure all your important information is presented just the way you want it. Let's get started, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, head over to your Squarespace website editor. This is the hub where you can fine-tune the various elements of your site, including the footer. You'll need to ensure you're logged in to access the editor, which is straightforward once you've navigated to your squarespace.com account. Once you've entered the website editor, look for the option that says Edit Site Footer. Click on this and it will take you to the section where you can start making changes specifically to the footer area of your site. It's in this space that all your contact information, links, or any other footnotes you want to include will reside. Next, click on Edit Section. This choice allows you to dive deeper into the specific segment of the footer you wish to adjust. Within the section, you're given flexibility over numerous aspects, from altering text to repositioning other elements to fit your desired layout. Now we move to the design aspects. Clicking on Design opens up a world of customization options. Here you can modify the style and format of your footer, giving it a unique look that complements the rest of your website. This section is particularly helpful if you want to incorporate brands' colors or potentially experiment with different font styles to see what aligns best with your overall theme. The next step involves selecting Background. This option lets you set the backdrop for your footer. Whether guided by themes or choosing from a wide range of other available backgrounds, you can meet your visual goals. This customization lends a personalized touch, showcasing a thoughtful design that further enhances user experience. After choosing or modifying your background, proceed to Colors. Here you can play with color schemes that best suit your brand or personal aesthetic. Just as colors carry powerful visual significance, this step allows your footer to either blend seamlessly or stand distinctly, depending on the effect you aim for finally. To wrap things up, don't forget to hit Save. It's crucial to ensure all your changes are securely in place and ready to appear live on your site. You can navigate away knowing your edited footer accurately represents your brand or personal style. And that's it! Congratulations on customizing your Squarespace footer. With these changes, your website is now one step closer to becoming an engaging, visually appealing space that effectively communicates everything you and your brand stand for. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.